Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be going over the new Chanel 23A collection. It just launched in stores yesterday. I'm filming this on Tuesday, June 6th, so I believe it launched yesterday, June 5th, but you're seeing this on Wednesday, June 7th, so it just came out on Monday, so this is the perfect time to talk about it. Now, obviously, I couldn't get through this video without talking about the exciting week that I am having. If you guys follow me on Instagram, or if you saw my last video, which I will link right up here, you guys already know this is the week that my book, Just a Beautiful Corpse, is going to launch. It's launching on Friday, so when you're seeing this, we are 2 days away from launch date. I cannot believe it. So honestly, that's like where most of my focus has been, especially recently. But obviously, we couldn't just let we couldn't let the whole collection go by without talking about it, right? Like, it's just not in my nature. So if you guys want to know what I think about the new Chanel 23A collection, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Chanel, you like the 23A collection, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to want to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, some random shit on stories. It's a lot. You know, we post a lot over there. And recently I have been like, honestly, kind of bombarding you guys with information about my book. So there is a lot going on over there. So if you like any of that stuff, you should definitely follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. I'm not sure what that hand gesture was, but we're gonna roll with it. Obviously, we're gonna go to handbags because that's what I like. And obviously, we're gonna start with, what are we gonna start with? What are we gonna start with? Scroll faster. Jesus. We'll start with flat bags. So this seems to be like the flat bag that I am seeing everywhere. This one and another one that I'm going to tell you in a second. And honestly, I don't understand why anybody would like this bag. This looks like you could literally get it from Claire's, in my opinion. $6,200 for this. There is not a way in hell. I am sorry. This orange color is like, it's a cute color, but like this chain, this like wooden chain does negative for me. Not nothing. It does something for me, but it's not a good something. You know what I'm saying? Like my insides are like boiling because I'm a little angry, you know? We also have this mini flap. This looks like patent leather, but it's like a gradient. This color of gradient, honestly, I'm sorry. As we all know, this is going to be a video based solely on my opinions. So if you don't agree with them, that is okay. You are definitely allowed to have your own opinions. But my opinion is this looks like dookie, and that's just me, okay? It just like, it looks like vomit or something. Like, I just really don't like it. It also comes in this, which I definitely like more. This more like hot, this just looks like fire to me. I like this better, but again, I wouldn't pay $5,600 for any mini flat bag, my guy. I just wouldn't do that. But I like this one definitely a lot better than the poopy one. So here's another variation of this like wooden chain bag. I just hate it, and I just can't imagine that storing this on your shelf is gonna be good. It's not gonna be a good look for your bag because your leather is gonna warp in ways. It's not gonna be a good look. I'm telling you right now, this chain is gonna be so heavy for this lambskin bag, right? It's lambskin, like, no. We've got a reissue. This is a mini reissue, and I freaking love this. $4,900. That price definitely did go up, I guess, in this most recent price increase. But I love this. I love a reissue. You guys know this already. Obviously, I don't have one, but I am planning on eventually adding one. I just have to find the perfect combo. I don't know if this would be the perfect combo because obviously I have a yellow bag already, but I do really, really love how it looks here. If this was in chevron, that would just be it. That would be the whole it, you know? But this one is really good too. I really like this one. Small flat bag. I don't like it already, but let's see. This is lambskin, $5,500. I wonder like how big is this? I mean, I see the dimensions there, but like in my brain, that doesn't mean anything. Honestly, I really don't like this chain. It just feels really inconsistent and just like random. But it does look like it's a pretty decent size for $5,500. I mean, you guys know like a small classic flap right now is like over 10 grand after taxes. So I just feel like maybe this is a good route to go. I just really don't like the chain. Another small flat bag, $5,800 for this one. I definitely like this one better than the previous one. This one looks a little bit more cohesive. I don't feel like this looks very classic flap-esque. So if you're looking for something that's gonna give you like, it's gonna scratch that itch, I don't think this is gonna scratch it for you. But I do really like it. I think it's a beautiful choice. Another one of these wooden handle bags. I mean, seriously, we're gonna stop talking about it after this one. But this one is fabric and it's $5,900. Oh my God, this is so ugly, my man. No, I don't see it. I do actually like the bag itself without the chain. Like if that chain was a regular chain, I think this would be like a hot seller. But that chain is just so freaking ugly. I just can't. And the wood CC on the front, like, nah, man. This is the other bag that I keep seeing all over Instagram, and like, why? Why? The only reason I should be seeing this bag anywhere is for people to make fun of it, because what the hell is this? Why is there just like one random, like, no, I feel like this was trying to be like the Gucci bamboo top handle type situation, except it missed by a lot. First of all, it's not cute. It's not cute. It's definitely not going to wear well because this is, again, lambskin, and you just have like this big old wooden plank sitting on top of it. I don't even know, like, because this looks like it's just very mobile, like on that chain. So how would you even grab this bag by that wooden chain? Can you put this crossbody? Can you, like, I have questions, my man. Small flat bag in this beautiful yellow color. I just love this color, honestly. I love this color. I don't think I would get another yellow bag because I barely use the one that I already have. This bag is definitely not the bag that I would get this yellow color in, but I really love this color. It's like not that like aggressively bright yellow color, but it's just like there's some beautiful like warmth, deep undertones to it. I just, stop, I love it. But again, not in this bag. I definitely don't like this bag whatsoever. There is this Paulin bag, I think it's like the Numero Un or something, that looks exactly like this. It's like a triangle, and I just think that looks so strange. For me, this one, I just really don't like it. 54, no, I definitely would not pay that for that, but I do really love the color. This tweed is so weird. It's like brown, but then it has just random specks of like a raspberry red color in there. Why couldn't we just keep it brown? I feel like if this was just brown, the whole thing brown, I feel like that would be cute. But the random specks of raspberry, like, it's random. Like, there is no rhyme or reason. Nobody strategically placed these there. It's just like,
let's throw raspberry in that corner. Maybe one in that corner. Put one up there.
Like, that kind of doesn't do it for me. Mini flap bag. This kind of looks like a mini square, except again, at the bottom, it kind of opens out a little bit. And the CC is a little special. It looks like it's like, oh, the CC literally spells Chanel. That's kind of cool. $5,400. That's so expensive. Last flat bag we have is large flat bag with top handle. I usually really like the bags that have like a random top handle like in the middle of the bag. But this is going to be the exception. A, because this tweed is disgusting. And the fact that there is like, are those pearls? Like, what is that? Wooden pearls? That just doesn't even sound, that just sounds like really dull pearls. That's what that sounds like to me. This looks like something my grandma would look at and be like, bitch, no. Yeah, I absolutely don't like this at all. $9,300. That's insane. That's insane. No, it's a no. It's a no is what it is. So let's go back to hobo bags, obviously, since we've got the mini 22 to talk about. $8,100. Stop. This looks like something that you make when you're at summer camp. And you're just like,
Julie, want to make quick backpacks together
or some shit? And like, this is what you guys conjure up. Like, no, this is not it. Let's look at this one. I think this one is raffia, right? Oh, it's not. It's also macrame. I think I had said this in a previous video. I said that there was a bag that Jack used to carry his beans. That was a lie. Because this is the bag that Jack used to carry his beans, man. Because like, look at it. The beans belong there. We've got a Big Daddy 22 here. I don't think this is the same yellow color that I've been like going on and on about, because if it is, then I take everything that I said back, because in this 22, it looks again like dog poop. This bag to me is just a combination of everything that I've ever disliked about anything. This is just not it. I hate this chain. I hate this opening. It's so weird. Like, why is it on the top like that? And the shape is just not cute. It looks like a hot dog. I really don't like this whatsoever. $5,200, no. We've got another mini 22 that looks like you made it at summer camp. Again, we've got this baby poop color in this other hobo bag. It looks almost the same as the hot dog bag, except this one has a zipper instead of that really weird opening. Either way, still unattractive. $5,400, still not worth it. The hell is this? The Chanel 31. I didn't know there was a 31 now, but there's a 31. Either way, the bag is just not my favorite thing in the entire world. It's patent leather, $4,900. It's just not my favorite. I don't have anything else to say other than it's just not my style, not my thing. Not interested. We've got a Deauville with these stupid wooden pearls. Oh my God, I hate these wooden pearls. This bag I also very much dislike. If it didn't have the wooden pearls, I would still not be in, but I'm extra not in because of these wooden pearls, because like, what the. We've got that same patent bag, but it looks like it's in a larger version, and this one is obviously not patent. I wish that Chanel would have like models wearing the bag so I could actually know what the hell I'm looking at, but either way, again, this is just really not cute. It's just really not cute. I think I like this version of it better than the previous ones, the pink and the yellow one that we were looking at. I don't know if it's because it's in crumpled calfskin instead of like that patent calfskin. I don't know if it's because it's black. I don't know if it's because it's a bigger size. I definitely like this one better, but I still very much do not like it. It just reminds me of the 22, but with like a big ass hole in the middle. That's literally what it is. What? This is like a Chanel 22 to go or something? Like, what is that? This looks like the reissue and the 22 had a baby, because you know how you can take the reissue and like flatten it out? That's like what they try to do here, but they made it in like a really big old bag like the 22, but then it also has these pearls. Are those the wooden pearls? Okay, they're not the wooden pearls, at least. But yeah, no, I don't like this at all. I don't like this whatsoever. 8,100. Oh, I don't like this at all. Oh, I don't like it. Oh no. Oh, I hate this. Not even I don't like it, I hate this. This just doesn't even, no. The dimensions are wrong, the shape is wrong, the chain is wrong, like everything is wrong. Everything is wrong, and I don't like it. Okay, I saw this bag, and I have to be honest, I like it. I do. Sue me if you want. I actually really like this. This is one of my favorite bags from this season. It's a cute little bow. You guys know I like bows, okay? If you don't know, now you know. I like bows. So the fact that this one is like, oh, and it's in satin. $4,400, the price tag is not bad. Honestly, I really like this. We've got this lion, which, listen, is the lion attractive? No. But would I still get it because my son's name is Leo? No, because it's priced upon request. But it's cool. It's a cool bag. But, you know, we knew this was going to be priced. Like, come on. We knew this little shit that is like this big, maybe was going to be priced upon request. Like, we saw this coming. It has just like pearls all through the mane. I mean, it's not hideous, but it's definitely not the cutest lion I've ever seen. But again, my son's name is Leo. Like, it's like these things are coming out for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to get them because I got to represent, right? He's not even a Leo is the thing. He's a freaking Pisces. We have this mini flat bag. This is, what is this? Crystals. Yeah. It's price upon request, so it's a no from me. But this looks like Thanos collected all of the stones again and just put them in a Chanel bag. That's what I'm getting from this. So if that's the look you were going for. We have the sequin party bag, but in a wallet on chain, which is still priced upon request for a walk. So I'm going to go ahead and discourage you from purchasing that. Another wallet on chain. This one's in lambskin. $4,300 for a walk. Why is this even special? Like, the chain is clearly a little bit different. And it has a turn lock. But other than that, like, why do you need to be 40? That just doesn't seem necessary. Clutches with chain. Now we're getting crazy. We've got this vanity case with that random chain handle situation, $36.75 for something that will probably hold a lipstick. Small vanity with chain. I think this is two-toned. It is. It's like that caramel color, but it's not the same caramel color that I have in my mini. It's like a little more warm, which I don't personally love, but it does have that beautiful yellow color that you guys know I am all about. And it is $26.75. So if you wanted to get just like a little taste of something, clutch with chain, just like every other thing is named, $2,900. This looks really freaking tiny to be $2,900. I mean, the top handle is honestly cute as shit, but like, this looks like it's small as hell. Like, that just doesn't look like it's worth it in the slightest. Like, no. I hate this chain. Why do they keep putting this chain on everything? Phone holders with chain. I'm gonna look at this. I am gonna look at this. Look at the little pretty yellow color. I love this. Can you tell? Can you tell that I'm so into this color right now? It's just, you know, it's definitely different from the one that I have. Like, do I need it? Talk me out of it. Oh, it has a little zipper. This kind of reminds me of a wallet on chain. but it has a top handle. I don't know. I kind of don't hate this. Flat phone card. Oh, why is $42.25, my man? That's a lot. That's, can we agree? That's a lot. And for this ugly doodle green color, like, come on, man. Don't do that. I feel like I've seen this one a bunch of times. Yes, I definitely have seen this one a bunch of times on Instagram. But again, that price is just disgusting. This leather is shiny as hell. I really don't like this brown color, you guys. Tell me what you think. I feel like a lot of people are going crazy about this color this season. I really do not like it. I don't think this is the right shade of brown at all. I feel like this is the perfect shade, obviously for me. I think this color is way nicer than this color. Please, I will have them next to each other. Tell me what you think. We're going to shoes. We're going to shoes because I said so. This is why I don't have any Chanel shoes. I don't even need to look into these because I know that they're, hold on. I spoke too soon. I like these shoes. That's a lot of money for these shoes, but I like these shoes. I would buy these shoes. Wait, there's more colors. Pause. There are more colors. I don't know. It doesn't look as good in white. It's not doing what it needs to do in white, and I could have used a white pair, you know? Those are nice, though. Those are nice. That's my pick of shoes so far. Everything else is not doing jack shit for me. I hate these little sandals like this. These little, they call them thongs, I think. That's like the least comfortable pair of shoes I could imagine. Oh my God, the dad sandals are literally still here. They're still here. How are they still here? Are we still buying these? 34. Earrings. I'm only gonna click into the ones I like, you guys know, because Chanel comes out with so many freaking earrings every season, and hardly any of them interest me, and looks like we're pretty much in the same boat as usual. Great. So I'm done here. Okay. I'm done here. What are my takeaways from here? What are my favorite pieces? Obviously, those platform shoes are it. I love them. Anything in that yellow color. Yes. Anything in that green color, please avoid at all costs. Oh, and of course, the bow bag in satin, that like beautiful little clutch. I absolutely love that bag. So if you're on the market, I think that's a really good one. And you know, I feel like clutches from Chanel never go for less than like 10 grand. So honestly, $4,500, like, I would buy that. I think that's pretty good. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. Let me know which one of these pieces was your absolute favorite. Which ones did you hate? Was I too harsh on this collection? I feel like this, I was a little, this time around, I was a little mean. I don't regret it because, like, I told you the truth. The facts are there. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. But that's all I have to say. Except that there's 2 days left until my book is live. Oh my God, I am freaking out. The fact that this day is just approaching so fast it's insane to me. If you guys want to know anything about my book, like I said, I will leave in the cards the video where I talk all about it. And definitely check out my Instagram because there's an entire highlight on my page just talking about the book. So pretty much any information you could ever need, it'll be there. Definitely keep your eyes peeled for that. But that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. Shout out to Miss Rachel.